Find the equation of the line having gradient 3 over 4 that passes through 7, 11. Express your answer in the form ax plus by plus c and y equals mx plus c. We'll do that later. Our first thing is, what do we write down? I'm going to write down what they give us. So I'm going to start off by saying my gradient equals 3 over 4. And then they give me a point as well. They give me that x is 7 and y equals 11. So I'm going to go down to my formula. I'm going to say my formula for finding a point is y, take y1 equals mx minus x1. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to substitute m with that. x1 is going to be this one and y1 is going to be this value. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to say it's y minus y1, which is 11, equals my gradient is 3 over 4 multiplied by x minus and x1 is 7. So there we have it. Now, the easiest way to get rid of a fraction, you can either first get rid of the fraction. If you're going to get rid of the fraction, we're going to have it in this form. If we're not going to get rid of the fraction, we will have it in the y form. So let's do this. Let's use this as y. Let me show you now. I'm rather going to show you how to get rid of the fraction. Because this is multiplying by a fraction, I can multiply everything on the right hand side by 4, and then I'm going to multiply everything on the left hand side by 4. That's going to make us get rid of that 4 and that 4, because 4 times 3 divided by 4 is 3. Now I'm going to multiply this in by expanding. So 4 is going to go there, and then 4 is going to go there, and then this 2 is going to go there, and then 3 is going to go there. So 4 times y is 4y. 4 times negative 11 is negative 44. That equals 3 times x, which is 3x. 3 times negative 7 is negative 21. If I'm going to get it into this form, I'm going to make ax plus by plus c, everything is going to go on that side. So what I'm going to do is 3x will go to the other side. If it goes to the other side, it becomes negative 3x. Okay, it doesn't really. Remember, what we actually do is we subtract 3x this side and we subtract 3x on this side, and that's why it becomes a negative. I have 4y on this side, so it's plus 4y. 21 will go over, negative 21, it will become plus 21, and negative 44 plus 21 will give us negative 23. That equals 0. So this is our first point. This is this point here. It's in that form. It's called the standard form. Also, please note that if you took everything to this side, your answer, which is also right, can also be, if you multiply everything with a negative, 3x negative 4y plus 23, which equals 0. Both of those is exactly the same thing. In step 2, they ask us to write it in the form of y equals mx plus c. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to this, it's the easiest way from there, and just take y by itself, which means if I have 4y minus 44, which equals 3x minus 21, what I'm going to do is going to take the 44 over. I can still have 4y on this side. It's going to be 3x minus 44, add 44, add 44, so that becomes plus 44 take away 21 is 23. And now I'm going to divide everything by 4. So y equals, if I divide everything by 4, it's 3 over 4x plus 23 over 4.